For the first thing, let me see the introduction. Okay, my title is Work from Home and Emotional Intelligence Domains in the Challenge of COVID-19 Pandemic. Okay, we go to the introduction. With the outbreak of the pandemic phenomenon of the COVID, uh, me and my team felt the need for a study to determine the relationship between work from home with domain of emotional intelligence among employees. Okay, so here what I want to share is all of these are closely related with the MCO, Movement Control Order, and work from home orders in COVID-19 pandemic. And there was have a direct or indirect impact among employees from the psychological view. So this situation is quite affecting to all sections of society and various sectors of employment as well as the economy. Certainly, it has an indirect and direct impact. Okay, we go to the next slide. Okay, now I will show you about the problem statement. Okay, why I am focused for this research. Okay, firstly, I will discuss the point of the problem statement here. You can see here how the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the ecosystem and landscape of the world of work from a changing office work to a work at home scenario. So we all are expected the combination of uh, wait, working from home and working in the office could be continued during the post-COVID-19 pandemic. And I'm sure now is the time we go to the plus combination work from home and also working in the office. Okay. So the second one is the new norms will be prolonged constraint may affect the daily functioning of an individual, the quality and focus of work among employees. So the situation is expected to reduce the stress that arise due to the conflict of work demands and family demands. However, for women workers, it is found that they need to have a strong mental and physical resilience if working from home because the task is heavier as a mother, for example, as a mother and wife. Okay. The work from home also, the policy about the policy introduced, implemented in line with efforts to stop the spread of COVID-19 virus through the MCO and work from home orders. So the concept of work from home during the COVID-19 pandemic was different if implemented in a normal practice. So it is necessary, quite necessary to pay attention to the mental health as well of employees to ensure that they maintain productivity while working at home. Because the outbreak of all these negative feelings is likely to affect the mental health of civil servants when they begin to feel depressed, worried, and stressed, as well as can lead to behavioral change either directly from the effects of the pandemic or indirectly due to having to face new norms of life. Okay. Okay. Now we go to the research objectives. Why I'm doing this research? Okay. So the objective of this research is what is the research objectives here is which is focused for the correlation intervariables. Okay. There were four main objectives for the study. So we can see here the first objective is to test the relationship between a work from home perception with an emotion domain among civil servants. Okay, so all of this is related with the phenomena of a COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, the secondly objective is to test the relationship between work from home perception with self-awareness domain among civil servants. And the third is to test the relationship between work from home perception with emotional well-being domain among civil servants. And the last objective is to test the relationship between work from home perception with emotion regulation domain among civil servants in the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, okay, guys, let me see another slide. For the fourth slide is about research methodology. Okay, okay, let I share you about the research methodology. The first point is which research design that I use. This type of study is non-experimental research, cross-sectional studies in the form of field studies, as well as descriptive, which the use of correlation statistic. As we know, correlation analysis was chosen as explaining the relationship of their variables. Okay, so the second point is we see the research location. The study was conducted at one of the government organization in my country, in Malaysia. Actually, now in Malaysia is nearly to midnight, so I feel sleepy a little bit before. I'm sorry. Okay, right. Okay, the organization name is MARA, one of Malaysian government agency. It was formed to serve and provide the guidance not only in business, in industry, but also in education and general knowledge. Okay, we see the third point for research sampling. The third point is about the research sampling of around 2,268 employees selected there among academic staff and non-academic staff. Their salary, which is from grade of 19 up to a grade of JUSA, that is the title of the salary grade. So the systematic random sampling method was used in the sample selection process. Okay, and the fourth point is for research instrument. Okay, the last point for this section is about the research instrument that the instrument that I use for this research is um, the developer questionnaire went through a process of instrument validation and phase validation. The name is a work from home questionnaire of COVID-19 challenge, and the reliability value is around 0.864. Okay, and the total KMO is 0.879. Okay, the second instrument is emotional intelligence domain inventory. Um, the reliability value of this instrument is 0.894 and the total KMO is 0.954. Okay, we go to the next slide. We see here about the research result. Okay, research result. We go through the analysis of research findings. Yeah, this is the result of this study. We strongly agree that all the EQ domain had the relationship with the work from home perception of employees. Okay, so for answering the first objective, the results show the finding of the relationship between work from home perception with emotion domain among respondents. The results show the work from home had a significant positive correlation with emotion domain. As you see here, the total of the emotion domain relationship with work from home. Okay. Okay, so we see the result for the second objective. The second objective found the relationship between work from home perception with a self-awareness domain among respondents. The result clearly show that we found that work from home had a significant positive correlation with self-awareness. Okay. So how about the third and fourth objective? So the result is, we can see here, they have the relationship between perception of working from home with emotional well-being domain among respondents, and the total is, you can see here, have the correlation, positive correlation. Okay, and the last objective is the result clearly show the relationship between perception of working from home with emotion regulation domain among respondents. The result of the analysis found that work from home had a significant negative and negative correlation with emotion regulation domain. Okay, so from the finding of this study, uh, uh, what I can say is, there were the significant positive and negative correlation. Okay, the working from home presents its own set of issues in terms of communication, job ownership, and quality of work. Okay, and the results show that the work from home perception with the emotional intelligence domains, namely the domains of emotion, self-awareness, emotional well-being, and emotion regulation of specific of COVID-19 challenge, had the, excuse me.
Uh-oh, can somebody please mute their, their audio? Thank you.
Okay.
Please continue, Sati Johar.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, thank you, Kimberly. Okay, what I can say here, from the results show they had a significant positive and also the negative correlation between their variables. Okay, so the conclusion here is, we can see the result of the study indicate that the COVID-19 pandemic has its own distinct influences on civil servants as employees. Okay. However, the effect can be stabilized by the influence of EQ or emotional intelligence that contributes to a normal level for the work from home perception among employees. The relationship between work from home perception with EQ domain is clearly showed that the ability to control the emotions to achieve emotional well-being was found to help employees to be in a calmer and more controlled state. Okay, so this needs as well to be highlighted even when the surrounding conditions are tested with the threat of a dangerous disease that not only plague the country but also for the whole world. Okay, so for the last slide. Thank you very much. I hope can see again. Okay, any question maybe?